Find the current through the ammeter of the circuit shown in the figure. If you clearly observe in these two circuits, one is MC meter and one more is MI meter. As you know that MC meter reads average value, MI meter reads RMS value. Now, the difference, one will read average and other one will read RMS. If you look at the equation of the source current IS, diode current ID, and inductor current IL, because all are connected in series, so I'm indicating IS is equal to ID is equal to IL. That is equal to, because there are so many variables, it is confusion. All are same, so I'm indicating by I. If I'm deriving the expression for this one, I'm getting I is equal to Vm by omega L into 1 minus cos omega t. If I'm elaborating this one, this will becomes as Vm by omega L minus Vm by omega L into cos omega t. Now, you all know that the Fourier series of f of t can be represented as a naught by 2 plus a1 cos omega t plus a2 cos 2 omega t up to so on, plus b1 sin omega t plus b2 sin 2 omega t up to so on. You know that a naught by 2 is a DC component. This is a DC component. The DC component is nothing but it is an average value. If it is average value. Now, if you compare the Fourier series of f of t with respect to the I equation, now what is this one? This is nothing but a naught by 2. It is, what is this one? This is a1. What about a2? What about a2 term? Cos 2 omega t coefficient, but it is not there in this equation. Then obviously a2 will be 0 and a3 will be 0 and all a coefficients will be 0 other than a1 and a0. Similarly, with respect to sinusoidal components, there is no sinusoidal components in this equation. Then b1 coefficient and b2 and b3, all these are will becomes 0. Now, in the circuit, he is asking me one is MC meter they have connected and one more is MI meter they have connected. That means one I need to find out average value and one I need to find out RMS value. As you know that what is I average, if I am taking from Fourier series, I average is equal to A naught by 2, which is equal to, what is A naught by 2 in this? It is, what is A naught by 2 in this? It is Vm by omega L. It is Vm by omega L. Now, if I am comparing this equation, because the supply voltage they have given, it is 100 sine 100 pi t. If I am comparing this one with respect to standardized equation, Vm sine omega t. What is Vm is equal to 100. What is omega is equal to 100 pi. What is L? L is equal to 0.1 divided by pi. Now, if I am calculating this one, Vm is 100 and omega is 100 pi and the L is nothing but 0.1 divided by pi. This pi get cancelled, this 100 get cancelled, 1 by 0.1, it will becomes as 10. That means for the first circuit, the answer will be 10 amperes. The MC meter reads here it is 10 amperes in this circuit. Whereas the other circuit, they have connected MI meter. I need to find out RMS value. For calculating RMS value, you know that RMS value is equal to, it is under root of A naught by 2 square plus half of A1 square plus it is A2 square plus A3 square plus up to so on plus half of it is B1 square plus B2 square up to so on. Now if I am comparing this one and this one, A naught by 2, I know the coefficient, and A1 coefficient I know it, but what about A2 B1? Here I know A naught by 2, I know A1, I don't know about A2, and I don't know about A3, and similarly I don't know about B1, B2, B3. All are 0 because there is no terms related to that. So if I'm taking only A naught by 2 and if I'm taking only A1, then what is a RMS value? If I'm calculating RMS value of this one is equal to, it is A naught by 2 is Vm by 2 omega L whole square plus half of, what is A1? If I am looking at, the A1 is Vm by omega L whole square plus, what about A2? What about A3? All are 0. What about B1? What about B2? All are 0. Then if I'm taking, if I'm taking here this part, it will be negative. I'm doing squaring, then it will becomes positive. If I'm taking Vm by 2 omega L whole square is taken outside of the root, then it will be Vm by omega L. This will becomes as 1 plus half. Whenever it is 1 plus half, this can be represented by 3 by root 2 times of Vm by omega L. If you look at here, what is Vm by omega L? It is root 3 by 2 times of Vm is, it is 100, and what is omega? It is 100 pi. L is 0.1 divided by pi. This one getting cancelled. 100 it is getting cancelled. The right answer is root 2 by 3 times of 10 amperes. Now it will be 12.24 amperes. Now if in this case the IRMS is showing it is 12.24, the right answers for this one are, for MC meter it is 10 amperes and IRMS is 12.24 amperes.